Okay, here they come. Shh. Kind of say it with me, okay? When I say it. Happy graduation.
Graduation.
No way.
Yes. Yes.
No way.
It's yours, Jessie.
No way.
Yes, it's yours.
Here.
Honey, we've had it for a month. When you went skydiving, we bought it. It's yours. It's all yours, honey. It's all yours, sweetie. What? You don't like it? We'll take it back, okay? We'll take it back. Why? I couldn't understand a word she said.
She said, I can't believe you guys got me a car.
Honey, you deserved it. You deserved it. You deserve it. Do you like it?
Look at your car.
Do you like it? Come here. Come look at your. Come look at your car.
Almost crying. Hey,
Come on.
supposed to be laughing.
Look at your car.
Oh my god. Are you serious?
Yes. It's all yours. Well, when you get your license, honey. But look inside.
Let me do that. Show her.
Do you like it, baby?
Love it.
You love it? Is it you? It's called JC. We named it.
JC?
It stands for Jesse's car. It's Jesse's car. You know, Jesse, we bought it when you went skydiving.
Are you serious? Wait,
We've had it this long. We've been hiding
You had to
it.
hide it.
How? Where'd you hide it?
Around the block, Tina's garage. I fixed it up for a week. I've been cleaning and washing it.
For day 2.
Oh my god.
It looks so neat.
Honey, look inside. Jesse,
Oh my god.
look inside.
Yeah, sit in it.
Look inside.
It's so beautiful and it's not leather. I hate leather.
You have a CD
It's
player?
carpet. Mick will love this. Oh.
Jesse,
So
look at
cool.
Jesse, look at your stereo.
You got a stereo?
Did you guys put this in?
No.
That was it.
This is how it
That was
came-
there.
Yeah.
Oh my god. It's perfect. And this isn't
Jesse,
this
it drives. It drives.
That's on us.
This is yours on me?
Yeah,
Yeah.
she
Oh
gave
my
that.
god.
It drives really nice. You'll like the way it drives.
I can tell already.
I've been test driving it for a month.
Honey, he's been cleaning for weeks.
Oh my god.
Jesse, look, it's so nice. Look. Look, honey.
Did you ever think, Jess? Did you ever think you'd get a car? No. Was that a nice surprise? Now, didn't I tell you that's why I wanted you the night before? It's a very special day.
Yeah. Although I
Oh
woke up
God,
at
he was
5.
on her on me yesterday.
Well, I woke up at
Jesse,
5
are you
o'clock
sure
because
you
of
know?
Maggie.
She's never home on the
Yeah, I know.
But Jesse, is this your car? Does it look like your
this
car?
Is perfect. This is my car. I love this car.
It's so nice.
No,
Jesse.
seriously.
It drives so nice.
It's beautiful.
And no payments, it's paid for.
No, it's
Yeah,
paid for.
it's paid for.
It's paid for.
It drives wonderful, honey.
Oh my god.
Now remember that piece I made you cut out in wood here in the garage?
Yeah.
That was for this car.
It's
That's
in the
why-
trunk. Show her the trunk.
It's for the trunk.
What about Terry?
Where's the keys? Where's the keys?
It wasn't.
Give me the keys, honey. Come here.
Still in shock.
Come here.
What?
Remember when you helped me cut the piece?
No way.
Yes, that was it. This is how long we've had it. There's the piece.
What?
Yeah, and look how big your trunk is, honey.
I know.
You could put Jess.
I know.
So, wait a minute, wait. So, Jessica, you just got a car from graduation. How do you
Oh
feel?
my god, let's go get tacos.